Uh, as the official timing for the start of the function was 4 o'clock, I would say that there would be little bit of delay, maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes delay in starting the program because the chief guest of today's function is on his ways and he would reach here soon, and then we would be able to start the function. Now, uh, we have two more students, gold medalists from the pharmacy college with us. They will share their views with us, and then we would have some break, and then we would be showing you the CD of the campus, which will show you the different developments at the campus, various colleges, new departments, new buildings which are coming up here. We have with us Mr. Manish Patel, who is the gold medalist at Department of Pharmacology in S.K. Patel Pharmacy College at Ganpati University. Now he is working as a lecturer and is now in the academics. He was one of the good students of this college. So Manish will share his views with us.
I am very pleased to tell you that I am the part of this institute from since 6 years. That's a very good and very pleasant experience. I have passed my BPharm and MPharm both from this college. I got the opportunity, so I am very happy because I got the dedicated staff from that. I got the excellent knowledge, and that excellent knowledge I can share with my students, etc. And I can spend my knowledge with the institute in which I am working. I can say my knowledge, and one thing is that I can get knowledge like that I can deliver to the community. That's my main aim. And lastly, I am telling that this is the best experience to be here to take gold medal in a convocation function. I would like to give any service to this institute if I can get the opportunity. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Sanket Gohel. I have been since last 6 months from this institute. I have passed my BPharm and MPharm, especially MPharm in quality assurance. And it's very nice experience to study in this college, S.K. Patel College of Pharmacy. And on this auspicious occasion, I wish all my colleagues who get graduation from this university, this institute, a very prosperous in life. Thank you so much.
Stand nearby and just he'll introduce and he can speak a little bit if you want.
No, no, બરાબર.
Just yeah. You can do that.
Hello once again. Let me update you on the proceedings here. We have guests on the way, and soon we would be having them with us, and we will start the actual convocation ceremony. There is a little bit of delay. Meanwhile, I will introduce Shri Chandubai Patel, who is from Vimal Industries and actively involved with the trustee group of the Ganpat University. Also, we have Shri Ratibai, who is the NRE and supporter of the campus. Shri Chandubai will say a few words about his vision of this institute.
ગણપત વિદ્યાનગર ની શરૂઆતમાં જ અમે અનિલભાઈ સાથે ગણપતભાઈ સાથે અને બીજા મારા મહેસાણાના મિત્રો સાથે જ અમે છીએ. શરૂઆતમાં જમીન લેવાની હતી, શરૂઆત કરી ત્યારથી જ અમે અહીંયા જે ખેરવામાં જે જમીન હતી તેમાં ફક્ત પંઠિયા જ ઉગેલા હતા અને વિરાન જમીન હતી અને તમે ખાલી બૂટ પહેરીને જાઓ તો પણ એમાં પંઠિયા તમારું પેન્ટ ઉપર લાગેલા જ હોય અને વેણવા પડે, અડધો કલાક વેણીએ તારે જ એના પંઠિયા છૂટા પડે એટલી જ જગ્યા હતી. અને ત્યારથી ગણપતભાઈ મળ્યા એટલે અમને આ કેમ્પસમાં એની શરૂઆત કરવાની ઉત્સાહ થયો અને ગણપતભાઈના આવવાથી આ ગણપત વિદ્યાનગર આપણે ઊભું કરી શકીએ છીએ. અને સાથે અનિલભાઈનો ઉત્સાહ, બધા મિત્રોનો ઉત્સાહ, દરેકનો ઉત્સાહ, આખા જિલ્લાના ટ્રસ્ટીઓનો ઉત્સાહ અને એ રીતે આપણે બધા સાથે રહીને આજે સુંદર કામ થયું છે વિદ્યાનગરનું. અને આજે આપણે જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષમાં જે આ કેમ્પસ બન્યું છે એની ગ્રીનરી અને જે તમે જોવામાં આવે છે એ ખરેખર ભગવાનની કૃપા અને આપણા બધાના સાથ સહકારથી આ થયું છે. એ જ અને આ રીતે આગળ ને આગળ આપણે પ્રગતિ કરી રહીએ અને સાથે બધા સાથે રહીને કામ કરીએ એ જ ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના.
Thank you, sir.